milk. You take the you want what about the drug milk?
Okay.
The gallon. Take the gallon milk. And we not do this thing for sure. We are do this thing because we want them to have something, a good meal. Susie, when last thing your mother go shopping like this? Long time, but we're gonna make sure no son have some food in the house. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people they love you, you know. See that? Look at me, Susie. Susie. People love you, you know. The world love you now, you know. Yeah. Remember, you know, we see this happen all over the world, not only in Jamaica.
No.
But what they didn't have to do it.
No, it was wrong. It was wrong.
And the only reason why I'm highlighting you on this platform,
yes.
because I wanted help for you.
Correct.
You say, if I don't do this, I only going to talk. I want people to know that you know, this morning when I put my life and say, I want everybody say, final.
Yes.
Final.
Final, yes.
You say, Mr. Handsome, final. So me have to show people, say, me find the lady.
Man.
So you can help her. Because guess what? And I'm going to help, you know. Yes. So if you know...
Jesus Christ said, he help the least of them, I helping them, man.
He said, if you leave the least of them, so when we get a call,
yes.
I make sure I pass it on to you.
Yes.
And let's say somebody say me something, I'm not afraid to drive come at home.
Yes.
The only thing I have to give my gas money. Look here now. Come here. You know, it's a joke. Everyone joking.
Yes.
Oh, Prince, remember me the ramen. Ramen soup.
But me not that good.
Ramen soup.
Oh, but
See her here. Come here. Come here.
Yeah?
Tell the people then, what would you like to do? What would you like to do?
I don't know.
You don't know. You ever sell anything?
what do you want to do?
Yeah.
Some business or so.
Farm and...
So you think you can go back into that?
Sure,
You want to do something? Anything you want to do?
Yeah,
So
something
we're going to find out. We're going to find out what you want to do. We're going to find out. All right, cool. People, we are live in the supermarket with this lady and our kids and our nephew. So where the cups to? So Prince Hall, I don't know me come with my general. The rest of the team couldn't come. The rest of the team couldn't come, so I said I'm coming with there. So I want everybody to understand that God is love.
Amen.
And without God, we are absolutely nothing.
Amen.
We are absolutely nothing. For what they cost in the